Welcome to the exciting holidays. Whether you're looking for adventure or just want to relax on August 12th and August 13th, there's a celebration for everyone. Remember to send happy thoughts to those celebrating birthdays or other important events on these special days. National Bowling Day. National Bowling Day is typically celebrated on the second Saturday in August. This day is dedicated to celebrating the popular sport of bowling, which has been played in some form for thousands of years. On National Bowling Day, bowling alleys across the country often offer special deals and promotions, and it's an excellent opportunity for both experienced bowlers and beginners to enjoy the sport. Celebrations can range from local tournaments, charity events, or simply getting together with friends and family for a casual game. International Youth Day. International Youth Day is observed annually on August 12th. It is an initiative that was established by the United Nations in 1999, intended to draw attention to cultural and legal issues surrounding youth. This day is dedicated to highlighting the efforts of the world's youth in enhancing global society, promoting ways to encourage their active involvement and making positive contributions to their communities. Each year, International Youth Day has a unique theme to focus on a specific issue or idea. The theme is usually related to current challenges or opportunities that young people around the world may be facing. Events held on International Youth Day can range from cultural performances, forums, and conferences to political discussions and policy announcements. It's a day to recognize the potential of youth as partners in today's global society and to raise awareness about the challenges and problems facing the world's youth, as well as to celebrate their achievements and contributions. National Middle Child Day. National Middle Child Day is observed annually on August 12th. This day is dedicated to honoring and recognizing middle children and the unique role they play in their families. Middle children are often characterized as overlooked and undervalued compared to their older and younger siblings. However, many middle children are known to develop valuable qualities such as independence, empathy, creativity, and peacemaking skills, often because they've had to navigate their unique position in the family hierarchy. On National Middle Child Day, it's encouraged to celebrate the middle children in your life, acknowledge their unique attributes, and make them feel special. It could be as simple as sending them a message, giving them a gift, or spending quality time with them. National Vinyl Record Day. National Vinyl Record Day is celebrated annually on August 12th. This day is dedicated to appreciating vinyl records and the rich, warm audio they produce, which many enthusiasts believe is superior to any other music format. The day not only celebrates the sound of vinyl, but also the art of the album cover, the joy of collecting, and the places where vinyl records are sold. Record shops often have special events or sales, and radio stations may play vinyl records on air. It's an excellent opportunity for music lovers to enjoy their favorite vinyl albums, share their collections with friends, and perhaps explore new music. It's also a time to remember the historical significance of vinyl records and the role they played in the evolution of music. World Elephant Day. World Elephant Day is celebrated annually on August 12th. The day was first launched on August 12, 2012, to bring attention to the urgent plight of Asian and African elephants. It was established by Canadian filmmaker Patricia Sims and the Elephant Reintroduction Foundation of Thailand. The day is dedicated to the preservation and protection of the world's elephants. It's an opportunity to raise awareness about the threats they face, including poaching, habitat loss, human-elephant conflict, and mistreatment in captivity. On World Elephant Day, various activities and events are held around the globe. This can range from special events at zoos and conservation centers, educational programs in schools, social media campaigns, fundraising events, and more. Many conservation organizations also use this day to promote specific initiatives and actions that can help protect elephants. The goal of World Elephant Day is to create a global community of elephant advocates who are informed and inspired to support effective action to protect elephants. International Lefthanders Day. International Lefthanders Day is observed annually on August 13th. The day was first observed in 1976 by Dean R. Campbell, founder of the Lefthanders International Incorporated. It's a day dedicated to celebrating the uniqueness and differences of left-handed individuals, who make up about 10% of the population. The aim of International Lefthanders Day is to raise awareness about the advantages and disadvantages that left-handers face in a predominantly right-handed world. It's an opportunity to consider the special needs of left-handed children in school, the challenges left-handers face with everyday objects and tools designed for right-handers, and the need for the design of equipment and layouts to be suitable for both left and right-handed users. On this day, left-handers around the world can celebrate their sinistrality and increase public awareness of the advantages and disadvantages of being left-handed. This event is now celebrated worldwide, and in the UK there is a Lefthanders Day club that encourages left-handers to celebrate in their local area with activities that allow right-handers to experience the challenges left-handers face in a right-handed world. Melon Day. Melon Day is a national holiday in Turkmenistan that is celebrated on the second Sunday in August. It was established in 1994 by then President Sapar Murat Niyazov to celebrate the country's muskmelon, a type of sweet melon often similar to a cantaloupe, which is particularly prized in Turkmenistan. During Melon Day, various festivities are held across Turkmenistan, including concerts, performances, and exhibitions. Markets overflow with different varieties of melon, and there are even competitions for the best melons. It's a day to appreciate not only the taste of the melons, but also their cultural and economic importance to Turkmenistan. While Melon Day is specific to Turkmenistan, anyone can take the opportunity to enjoy and appreciate melons on this day, or any day. National Prosecco Day. National Prosecco Day is observed annually on August 13th. This day is dedicated to celebrating Prosecco, a popular sparkling wine from Italy that's often seen as a more affordable alternative to champagne. Prosecco is known for its light, almost playful character, and it's enjoyed in cocktails like the Bellini or served on its own. On National Prosecco Day, people are encouraged to enjoy a glass of Prosecco and appreciate its unique qualities. You can celebrate the day by visiting your local wine shop for a bottle of your favorite Prosecco, hosting a toast with friends, or even visiting a local Italian restaurant to enjoy a glass paired with a delicious meal. Always remember to consume alcoholic beverages responsibly. National Filet Mignon Day. National Filet Mignon Day is celebrated every year on August 13th. This day is dedicated to appreciating this fine cut of beef. Filet mignon is French for cute filet, with filet meaning thick, boneless slice and mignon meaning dainty. This steak is cut from the smaller end of the tenderloin area of the animal, which makes it quite tender. On National Filet Mignon Day, many people celebrate by enjoying this luxury dish at home or in a restaurant. It's also an excellent day for steak lovers to learn more about different cuts of beef and how they're prepared. Whether you like it rare, medium, or well done, this day is the perfect excuse to enjoy a delicious filet mignon. That's it for today. Enjoy celebrating and have a great time making special memories with these wonderful holidays.